There goes. All right, I got a call for this. Dun, 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 dun. No freaking way. Oh, yeah, two little probers back there. I've never worked on one of these before. This is hilarious. That's a big ass grid. It looks just like a Manitowoc. All right. The customer got himself a couple probes. Oh yeah. Wanted me to put them in, so let's see what we get into here. I'm gonna scope it out. The atrocious. Has nice hinges on the door. I could see Phil at OC Refrigeration liking that. He'd appreciate that. It's still basura, but hey. All right, you're gonna do the water and the harvest sensor on these. Here's a screw here for the side cover. One in the back, 3 on the bottom to get this side plate out. And you'll see the probes are sitting right here. There they are. They got little quick connects on them, so let's get those out of there. All right, so if you want to know how these come out, so you can see it's threaded. There's a retaining nut on the top that you take off. This retaining nut on the top comes off first. And you can unplug the wire connector. Then the blue connectors down there. Those have thread wheels that spin. And you thread, you can see them, you thread the probe through those. It's the same wheel as these, but it's down below. So it's gonna go in, but you spin the wheel to thread it. You don't spin the probe. That's how you get them in and out. Kind of silly. All right, we're back to making ice. Let me show you guys this again. Has a paint curtain with a magnet, just like a Manitowoc. All the same baloney. You have to do the water level sensor and the harvest sensor. The bottom plastic screw, you got to get it lined up. It'll try and cross thread. Real pain in the ass, let me tell you. Okay, so we'll kind of go through this together. That probe was having a hard time reading, but it got in there. So you basically, that flashing LED is for the circ pump, the water pump. The amber light is our curtain. Next to it is our water level sensor that's off right now. It'll turn blue when it fills up with water, which it did. And I don't know if they're doing a batch cycle on these or what. I don't see it refilling like a Manitowoc at the moment. So maybe they're doing a batch. You get one batch of water. I'm not sure yet. I gotta watch it. We're not filling. So they might, maybe they're doing a batch cycle. So I'll have to see here. Just kind of go through it together. I've never worked on one of these. I have no idea the sequence of operation or anything. There we go. Now we're filling some water. Let's see. We'll see when it catches up to the probe. Yeah, we're filling. There we go. Blue light. We're full of water. pressure goes back up. So the water inlet solenoid is working correctly. All right, so it'll refill the sump as we're making ice. All right, cool. See what else I can give you. It looks like it's a Danfoss TXV. The condenser fan motor kind of looks proprietary for sure. So if you lose a condenser fan motor, you're not going to get your customer ice. You will have to get their motor. It's incorporated with the fan blade. You're not going to throw a motor in there off your truck. It's not going to happen. Same with the water pump. That's the water pump for this unit. That'll also be proprietary. Have fun with that. And that's that's what you're getting into. And the sump, you can't just take the sump out. You have to detach it from the water pump right here. It goes all the way through and attaches right here. You have to take that apart to pull the sump out, which is crazy. Goes in the harvest, you get a harvest light. So the top probe is water, bottom probe is harvest. When it drops below the harvest, refills water while it's going through harvest, and we're in a harvest right now. Red light's our harvest light. And let's see, drop a batch. Here it comes. There we go. All right, back to the freeze mode. Outstanding. And then I got this other Atosa ice maker here with an iced up evaporator. This is like the under counter type unit, but it's up on a pedestal, and the probes are totally scaled over. We're gonna pull those out and clean them and see if we can get this unit back to working. What are the odds? I go from one call with an atrocious Atosa ice maker to another. Unbelievable. Anyways, that's how you kind of wrench on those things a little bit. They're going to be out there because your customers are going to buy them. I don't think there's any skirting around that. They're going to buy what's cheap. And we just got to learn what we can learn, right? Every day's a school day. Hear it, mama. Hear it.